The 1-6-4-5 chord progression, it's just pretty, it's used in a lot of different stuff. But when we want to make a demarcation, some kind of a change is coming, we're going to try to warn the listener of it, we can introduce a cadence. In this case, the cadence we're interested in is the perfect cadence, which is a 2-chord sequence that goes from the 5th degree to the 1st. Now we're playing this in B, but we're using the G, C, D chord shapes. So our tonic chord is going to look like our G, at least as it's spaced from the capo. We've got our 4 chord as a C, we've got our 5 chord as a D. And so the cadence we're looking at is the 5 chord, the D, to the 1. And of course our 1-6-4-5 is then going to be 1-6-4-5. And we want the cadence, it's 5-1. And that's really the whole idea behind the cadence. It's giving our listener a little warning that we're about to make a change. And in this case, it's a pretty standard classical cadence. But it's a good one to know, and an even better one to recognize when we're playing music.